Now this old fence panel is probably about 5 or 6 years of age. It's been painted a couple of times, but it's exposed to the elements all the time. The rain, the sun has completely bleached the colour out of it, so we're going to paint it up with Blackjack chalk paint from the Fresco range. Of course I could use a paintbrush, but it's quite a vast area here, it would take some time, so I'm going to use a small handheld paint sprayer. For those of you who have never used a paint sprayer before, don't be put off by them. They're really quick and simple to use, allowing anyone to get a professional result in a fraction of the time. They work with the whole range of Frenchic paints. Now that's one solid coat, but remember it's rough sawn timber, so it's very porous. It's advisable to apply 2 coats to make it weatherproof. Not only will it look great, it'll last longer.